sitse bona. Ke mang? Ke ba itse mang?
Biam, 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 biam. Biam, 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 biam. Good morning, people. Good morning, Africans. In fact, I want to greet those ones that are in South Africa. Those are the ones that I want to talk to now. Never mind the ones that are in our country. I want to mention the ones that are here. All the people that are calling South African xenophobic. All your leaders in your country that they say South Africa is xenophobic. We get MTN here. We are going to break it. We get ShopRite. We don't want ShopRite again. How you go eat? Now bushmeat you go chop. Are you okay? Now bushmeat you go chop. ShopRite there your country now because of you. Your sister, your brother, your uncle, your grandmother, everybody. They work for it. Not be South Africans that work there. You people don't get sense. You people don't get sense. ShopRite day for you. For you to go and buy food. For your sister to work there. Who be electrician for that shop? Who be cashier for that shop? Who they pack food for floor? For shelf? You know be Nigerians? You know be your brothers and sisters? Now you want to go and say, we don't want that thing. We don't want ShopRite. We don't want MTN. Now your network, also they use MTN, Vodacom, Sensi, everything. Our MTN, they work well. If you say they come out ShopRite, they go and come out town. Now your problem. But, so to say, any person in our country will not get paper. If you are not registered for our country, please, I beg, come out our country, go. We no fight, you know. We no fight. We not being xenophobic. We just they ask nice. South Africans are not xenophobic. We not be xenophobic. The only thing where we they talk, now say, if you not get paper, how did you enter our country? You not get paper. Any person will come out their country need to go to that embassy. If you go China, go to China embassy. If you go South Africa, we get embassy for Nigeria. You go to that embassy, you tell them, okay, I'm going to South Africa, I'm going to visit. Who are you going to visit? They want to know where are you going to sleep. Proof of where you're going to sleep. For how long are you going to be there? What are you going to do there? That is where you get permit from our embassy. Hey, why do you have embassy? Why do you have embassy? We have your South Africa embassy here in India. Are you utilizing it? Are you using it? One Momo get tell me say, no, I dey go there. They are asking me a lot of questions. I don't want questions. Do you know how many Niger? Yeah. How many Zimbabwe? Yeah, where they sell food for road. You walk outside side. There's one mini Lagos here in South Africa called Sunnyside. You walk out there, plenty Niger people that they sell food for road. Okay, ma, I ask you now. When you go to embassy, what reason did you tell them? I'm going to sell food in South Africa. Are you okay? Are you mad? I'm going to sell sweets. Yesterday, I went to cut my hair and I see one old man stand there for shop. You want sweet? You want sweet? This man. How did you enter the country? Because we are saying any person who comes to our country, they need to be documented. We need to know about you. We are not xenophobic. And another thing I want to mention, South Africa does not promote people that are looting shops. No, it is not part of what they are doing. Other people, they are using that opportunity to go and do it. That is when the police must come. And don't say we have South Africans here in our country. Go and investigate them. If there's South Africa in your own country that are not working, they are doing this, go and investigate them. How did they get the paper? How did they? And even you people that say we get paper, we get passport, we get ID, South Africa ID. We want to know how you got that ID. Because there's a procedure to get ID. We know the 419 job what they do. We know them. No say, no, I get ID. Okay, where you get them? We want to know where you get them. Where you get them, because we know how you people they get this thing. Now the same reason why you people enter this country. We get South Africans officials that are corrupt. There's one documentary for television where they show this guy. This guy, they give people ID. He did. We know how you people do it. So we are asking in the name of God. Go back. If you know you don't have paper, not all foreigners must go. People understand. Maybe if I talk like this, maybe if I talk using your accent, you people go hear us well. We no fight. We know the fight. We no fight. We are just saying, people, please, if you know that you don't have paper, go back. Now, my own sister, we born South Africa, get belle, go hospital, government hospital. She not get money, go private. Now she won't go private, government. When she go government, hospital they full. Who they full that hospital? Now foreigners. Mama, where are you from? Zimbabwe. Do you have your passport? No, I don't have a passport. How did you enter here? Where do you? But you are occupying the space. Do you people know how the government hospital are run? South Africans are paying tax for their own sisters and brothers that are not working. You go to the hospital, you get medicine, you get drip. The nurse, where they work there, they have to get paid. The doctor, the cleaner. How do you think people? Government is paying those people. That is our tax. That is what we are paying. And we don't have a problem to pay tax. We are paying tax for our own sisters and brothers. Tomorrow is me that I'm not working. I'm going to the hospital, that government hospital. Now you people are coming in your country, all of you, Ghana, Cameroon, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, everywhere. Now you want to go. And I don't understand why you people, every now and then you come to South Africa, you come and do it. 2 months, see, you get belly. You go to a hospital. Are you okay? Stop doing that thing. If you want to go and do that thing, go back to your country and do them there. Idiot. So we know the fight too. South Africa know the fight, I beg. We are just asking you to go back to your country. Go get correct papers, come back. Now, so we know the fight. We know the fight, I beg. And if you are here with correct papers, you can stay. As long as you can show us how you got the paper, it's okay. mina bengizoke ngithi baba batshele nje ukuthi hayi abahambele bona kungakonakala
sasho sathi abahambe uzuzubone
nesasho futhi
uzuzubone ukuthi saze sakhuluma kahle kanjani sathi qedani izitoko zenu nine netolo uqeda isitoko sakhe esitolo khona ungeze ukukhala ukuthi uhamba washiya into yakho la ngoba kuzofika la ekuthenini khona ukushiye nebhlukwe lakho kade lisocungona ungabisakwazi ukuyolethula
Kobe sekulaphi ke lapho
ilokho abazokubona ngolesithathu
hayi kodwa abatshele kahle
hayi sasasho mase futhi siphinde kangaka futhi manje
abahambe
yebo ngalelo ngasoba sithi abahambe sibe simile asindawo phumani phatha impahla zenu
abasukwazi kodwa
umsuna hayi angikwazi ngilole kangaka ngulolele ubala hayi ngulolile mina
ufuna ukufaka uthe unalobhushi uzowenza njani ubhushi
ngifuna ikhanda lekore lilikhuni ufuna ulole impela ufuna ulole yabona nje ucela mbami ngulole ngegrind
bazibahluphe abantu
khabahambe bona
all right.
Morning guys. Yazi, I'm just sitting here and I'm thinking ukuthi lama reactions eswatholayo from foreign nationals mayelana nomhla ka-30 and everything that's happening in South Africa right now. Inkumbuza into eyodwa yazi. Inkumbuza ukuthi you know your partner who's been abusing you for years and has been cheating on you for years and has been selling you a dream for years, and when Nkosi yami, because uyamthanda, you're constantly forgiving, you're constantly forgiving. Ahambe phume ngaphandle yomithisa when uyamxolela, abuye lapha edaki bazokubhonya when uyamxolela, doing the most atrocious things to you, but because uyamthanda, you always see the silver lining even when there's no silver lining. All the red flags when you decide to paint them orange and not red, because why uyamthanda umuntu wakho, I mean, uzoba right, uzoshintsha, right? Same thing again, I'm a foreign nationals. When illegal foreign nationals started coming into our communities, we applied the principle of Ubuntu, because these are our brothers and sisters. We never thought Uguti one day they would turn on us and start feeding our children drugs. We never thought Uguti they would start forming mafias to chase us out of our own communities and chase us out of trading in our own communities. We never thought one day they would do that to us. Yeah, but even when they started, we were like, it's not all of them. We started seeing Uguti, no man, it's not all of them, Nkosi yami. Until one day we're like, no man. After all the abuse that you've endured, Gumabura, after all the baby mamas about Tugai, after if you remember who you are, you remember Uguti, no, kahle kwalendlu awaletha kuyona amantombazana uMabura eyami. It's mine. All of this is mine. Why must I endure all of this in my space? Actually, Mabura, hamba, Mabura, go. I'm done. Right? And in that very moment, Umabura turns victim and you become the perpetrator, because what do you mean I have to leave? What do you mean? Akhohle Mabura ukuthi umbekezelele izinto ezingakanani over the years. Akhohle Mabura all the abuse. All the abuse. When owawulokhu uthi hayi no uzofaka ama concealer Nkosi yami ufunda ukudweba amashiya ufunda ukudweba makeup ngoba uzofihle abuse kaMabura. Why? Because uyamthanda ubuntu. And in that very moment, instead of Mabura's family saying yes Mabura uyakhumbula le ntombazana ikubekezelela ulokhu ihlukumeza, in that very moment, instead of his friends saying ayi kodwa mjida na ubhedile, they're all going to be like, no namanga lo sethola omunye, hayi lona nje usayitshela ukuthi usengcono. None of them are even reprimanding Mabura in this moment. Why? Because we're not wrong. Mabura. You were supposed to stay and endure all this abuse until uphumele cebo lethu. Same thing in Nabanbok Fig. Right now, they're all up in arms because why? You as South Africans are never supposed to see your worth. You as South Africans are never supposed to be tired of all the abuse. You're not. Why are you tired? We are one. Mabura? Illegal foreign nationals?
Bafowethu into ngayazi inkulu kunawe. Hayi ake ngikhulume nje nani bafowethu noma nje ngisemgaqweni kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi hayi isikhathi siyangishaya ngoba impela
ngiphisa nyani ukuthi ngifike lapha ezofuneka ukuthi ngibe sendaweni right. Yazi bafowethu kunento ekufuneka ukuthi nje abantu bepolitiki, abalandeli bepolitiki nabaholi bezepolitiki kuzofuneke bayi-understand lento ukuthi ababa own abantu. Kumele ba-understand ukuthi abasi own cha. Anis own cha, anis own bafowethu, anis own nje kancane khohlwa njani is own. Enye into ke busy these days. Abantu ba busy benza live ba discuss ukuthi ungabe ubani ofinder ba worried ngokuthi ifounder ubani iMash and Mash. Yiloyo nto le abayidiscussayo ko live njengamanje some of the political supporters and yileyo nto leyo esemqondweni yabo njengamanje ukuthi iMash and Mash ifundwa obani iMash and Mash. Hayi man, lento mangithi ngiyaqala ngiyicabanga ngiyibhekisisa ukuthi kubaleke ngani ukuthi iMash and Mash ifundwa ubani. Kungani nizikhathaze ngento engafanele ngabe nisikhathaza ngayo ngoba nihlulekile ukuphatha abantu nama political parties wenu. Nihlulekile ithuba likhona ukuthi niphathe abantu ngendlela nokuhambisa izidingo kubantu ngendlela. Ithuba nenikeziwe. Njengamanje ni worried ngokuthi iMash and Mash ifundwa ubani. Lalelani. Noma ngabe iMash and Mash noma ngakuthiwa ke ifundwa ke iDA noma ngabe kuthiwa iMash and Mash ifundwa ke iEFF noma ngabe ke iMash and Mash kuthiwa ifundwa iMK noma ngabe kuthiwa ke iMash and Mash ifundwa iAfriForum. I mean as long as abantu bejabule, as long as kuyinto edingwa abantu efunwa ubantu, iMash and Mash kuyiyona into edingwa abantu. Intando yabantu mayenzeke and intando yabantu mayihlonishwe. Yilokho nje ngikushoyo ukuthi njengamanje akubalekile ukuthi iMash and Mash ifundwa ubani njengoba kudiscusswa nje kuno live amaningi kumaqembu ezepolitiki ahlukahlukene kuya discusswa lokho ukuthi engabubani ngesikhathi esithizeni kwakade kwenzeka ukuthi neIFP, all those things enikhuluma ngazo azenzi mehluko ezimpelweni zabantu. And kumele sengabe ekufule ngabe ngempela akusiyona into leyo enikhuluma ngayo noma into eni worried ngayo. Kumele manje ngabe nibheka i-change ngoba abantu bafuna uguquko, abantu bafuna i-change, bafuna abantu into entsha njengamanje kunokuthi nilokhe nibuza izinto eziningi ukuthi iMash and Mash ifounder ubani kwenzakalani kwahla kwacima kwavutha amanga. Akusiyona into efunwa abantu le. Nina kumele ngabe nisupporta into ekuyiyona ethandwa abantu. Njengamanje wonke umuntu kumele ukuthi all the political parties support iMash and Mash. All the political parties engabe supporta iMash and Mash kunokuthi kubheka ukuthi ubani oyifundayo ngoba akuyona into ebalekile ngempela kumele ngabe iseqhulwini ekutheni nikhuluma ngayo ni worried ngayo. That not what abantu akuyona into efunwa abantu bafuna uguquko. Yabona bafowethu ngikhuluma lana ke nani nina ngiyazi ukuthi nina abantu support ama political ningakhohlwa ukuthi bonke abantu ababalandeli beMash and Mash banawo ama political parties abo abawasupportayo. Ningakhohlwa mhlawumbe nje nonke niyazi uphakela umthakathi wenkatha uyiFP phela umthakathi weIFP. Ningakhohlwa lokho. And njengamanje siyabona ukuthi kunengisho amampunge ama narratives are wrong ukuthi hey kunokungezwani phakathi kwangizwe nophakela umthakathi this and that. Iyekeni loyo nto leyo, phumani lapho ngoba lento eniyenzayo ayisilona iqiniso lento enikhuluma ngayo ayisilona iqiniso and niyazi ukuthi futhi nisichithela isikhathi nezwa bafowethu nisichithela isikhathi yabona uyabona nje ma fighters zikanza kwethu ma fighters angimzondi ma fighters futhi ma fighters ma Red Nation lalelani angimzondi umholi wenu uJulius Malema angimzondi uJulius Malema kumina is just a younger brother is a younger brother so ke ningezi nama narratives ukuthi makwenzekile ngakhuluma ngomholi we freedom fight uJulius Malema ebese bafowethu nina nicabange nikushintshe into engisuke ngikhuluma ngayo ningayibheki ngendlela engisuke ngikhuluma ngayo ngibhekise kuyona nina nifuna ukuyishintsha niyenze ngendlela yenu nangendlela nenicabanga ngayo ku wrong bafowethu ngoba ngiyakhuluma nangomholi weAFP uHlabisi ngimgxeke ngiyakhuluma futhi ndangoma ngabe ubaba uZuma kukhona ongekuhle ngizokhuluma ngaye futhi yabo so ke okubalekile ubaba lo ulokhuzaneni ohlophe laba abaphethe MK uma bezokurong ngizobashaya futhi ngizokhuluma futhi nangabo ngibatshela no madoda akuhambi kahle makuka nje ayinhle lento eniyenza ukuthi nenze kanje that not right but nikhumbule bafowethu amaholi laba kwezepolitiki eSouth Africa singanza kwethu esibheka ukuthi bafowethu benze ushintsho benze impact esemqoka emphakathini wethu esibabhekile so ke asizukuyeka ukukhuluma ngalabaholi so ke uyabona ke nganza kwethu kumele ngabe lana sibambisene asilokho esixekana asilokho esijajana siyalalelana futhi asikhulumi izinto ezingekho ngifike ngikhulume ngento wena uqhamuka uzongibuza indaba ungakhulumanga ngokuthi no khuluma ngakho phela wena ngoba wena ubona kunesidingo sokuthi ukhulume ngalondlela ungafuni ukudiverta noma ukuguqula into mina engikhuluma ngayo ngiyenza ngalendlela yakho uma kukuthi wena ubona ukuthi entweni engikhuluma mhlambe bekufuneka ukuthi ngikhulume ngoCyril Ramaphosa cha kulungile khuluma wena ngoCyril Ramaphosa bafowethu kodwa nje ngeke ushintshe inkulumo ekhulunywa yimina ngoba isuke ikhulunywa yimina ikhulunywa wena nabo wena ongenani eda kwengikushoyo kunokuthi uqhamuka uzongigxeka ngoba mina I'm not a politician mfowethu kodwa abantu ababusi noma abaphathi abakumbuso kwezepolitiki la eSouth Africa sizokhuluma ngabo nganza kwethu sibeke izinto singekho happy ngazo nisunderstand nifuthi please ihloniphani ifreedom of speech bafowethu kunento ekuthiwa ifreedom of speech eSouth Africa ningazama ukuthi nifuna ukushintsha oma freedom of speech yabo kodwa sifuna lento ukuthi kuhlonishwe ukuthi bafowethu imarch sikhona siyisupporta njengamanje mayithi march abantu abahambe sithi abahambe yabo sithi abahambe bafowethu march sithi abahambe sithi abahambe nami futhi ngithi abahambe uma ungenawo amaphepha ukuthi ube South Africa sithi hamba goduka indela ekhaya zinganza kwethu asilwi nganza kwethu asixabani namuntu lento has nothing to do with Xenophobia, what umngani wami izinyophobia. This thing has nothing to do with Afrophobia. This thing has nothing to do with tribalism or whatever, whatsoever. No mangabe you know, but this thing has nothing to do. It's a fact. Ukuthi sifuna izwe lethu libe.
Question to the African governments out there, especially South Africa. Tell me, why is it so difficult for you guys to listen to the public? The same public that voted you in, that warned you way before the time, things, we don't want this, we don't want that, but you give a deaf ear. You don't worry about it. The only time you respond is when there's violence, when there's protest action, and when there's burning going on. Now you want to jump up and down, get the police ready, get the immigrants out of the country, blah, 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 because you know you're going to lose power. And then before an election, you lie in any case. You're going to do this. And where's the free medical aid that was Cyril Ramaphosa was bragging about? This is going to happen, free medical. And then you get the vote, and then people say, oh, you lie again. You catch them out all the time, oh, Cyril. I don't know who's telling you these things. Is it people out there? Is it bad Mlungus that's telling you this? Is it your people that's telling you this is to lie? Did God tell you to lie? Because, you know, people are going to revolt against this government. And this is what happens all the time in Africa. Eventually, you don't get voted out, you get forced out because you guys don't listen. All that God wants is for you to be open and honest. You're handling the taxpayers' money, the people that voted you in. Deal with it. Make sure there's no corruption. Make sure the security forces are up and going, running right. The government at the end of the day mustn't be corrupt. And then investment will come into the country and have your strict laws and do whatever you need to do so nobody takes advantage of nobody in this country. But you also ride that boat. Batu Pile, what a lie. Scalampile, Batu Kamara. Where's the spirit of Ubuntu? Where? Hey man, ANC, VUCA man. You're a big problem in this country. You could have pulled it right. You can get jobs for everybody in this country. At least 95% of people can have jobs in this country. There will be a future for generations to come. There's enough natural resources in South Africa. If your government starts doing things God wants you to do, not what you want to do. That's why people are revolting against you. And the whole of Africa is exactly the same. You just look after your own pockets. That's what you do. Of 1 rand, you steal 80 cents and give 20 cents back to the public. And the apartheid government, they stole 20 cents, but at least they gave 80 cents back to the public. You failed. VUCA ANC. VUCA.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. My foreigners bawashisa amakhaya idolo lapha eLimpopo because they were fighting with the South Africans njengoba sibona bekugqwele ulaphayana, and people are really shocked ukuthi ayibo ma foreigners sendane South Africa nangokuthi njena sibinzi sokwenda lokho eSouth Africa basithatha bisi yathi ingane yabo labanayo because they don't want to go back to their countries. Bayabona nje ukuthi ngcono nabo balwe. So people are just saying ukuthi bangaze beve buhlungu labanye sibone kuma videos abakhala because they don't want to go back to their countries. Yini ngani lengaka lebasuke bayendile emakhaya lebayisaba ukuyibuyelela, because if uyabona ukuthi South Africa awusakhona ukuhlala kahle because bayacosha, you feel like awusekho safe. Kunokuthi uhambe uyolala emigwaqeni nambani lala emahholweni. Why don't you go back to your own country, mhlawumbe uyolungisa amaphepha and come back so lamaphepha la right la kuvumela ukuthi uhlale eSouth Africa ngalokho semthethweni. But instead of them doing that, babona ukuthi abavele balwe or bashise emakhaya abantu balwe nema-South Africans labaqosha. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.